Aluminum foil isn't just for the kitchen anymore. This common household item has secret powers that go far beyond wrapping leftovers. Whether you're looking to save money, solve annoying problems, or uncover clever hacks, aluminum foil has you covered. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil some extraordinary uses for this shiny, unassuming roll that 96% of people don't know about. Grab your roll of foil and let's dive in. 1. Boost your Wi-Fi signal. Ever feel like your Wi-Fi is crawling, even when you're just a room away from the router? Aluminum foil can help. Create a parabolic reflector by shaping a piece of foil and placing it behind your router's antennas. This trick helps direct the Wi-Fi signal toward the areas you need it most, boosting speed and coverage. It's like giving your internet a turbocharge with something you already have at home. Studies have shown that this simple hack can improve signal strength by up to 50%. 2. Repel pests and protect your garden. Did you know that aluminum foil can keep pests away from your plants? Animals like squirrels and birds dislike the reflective nature and crinkling sound of foil. Wrap strips around tree trunks or scatter small pieces in your garden beds to protect your precious plants. Bonus tip: mix foil scraps into mulch to deter insects like slugs and snails. Gardeners swear by this eco-friendly solution that doesn't involve chemicals or traps. 3. Keep your scissors sharp. If your scissors are starting to feel dull, aluminum foil can come to the rescue. Fold a sheet of foil several times and use your scissors to cut through it repeatedly. This not only sharpens the blades, but also removes any residue. In just minutes, your scissors will feel as good as new. It's an effortless trick that saves you from buying a new pair or hunting down a sharpener. 4. Improve your ironing game. Tired of ironing taking forever? Place a sheet of aluminum foil underneath your ironing board cover. The foil reflects heat back through your clothes, effectively ironing both sides at once. You'll save time, energy, and even a bit of electricity. It's a professional-level hack for people who want crisp, wrinkle-free clothes without the extra hassle. 5. Clean your silverware with ease. Tarnished silverware making you cringe? Aluminum foil is the magic wand you need. Line a bowl with foil, fill it with hot water, and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Immerse your silverware and watch the tarnish vanish in minutes. This chemical reaction removes oxidation, leaving your utensils sparkling clean without scrubbing. It's like having a professional cleaner in your cupboard. 6. Prevent static in your laundry. Static cling is the bane of every laundry day, but aluminum foil can fix that too. Roll up a couple of foil balls and toss them into the dryer with your clothes. The foil discharges static electricity, leaving your laundry soft and cling-free. Say goodbye to dryer sheets and hello to an easy, reusable alternative that's better for the environment. 7. Seal drafts and insulate windows. Want to keep your home cozy in the winter or cool in the summer? Aluminum foil can act as a quick fix for drafty windows. Tape foil around the edges of windows or between curtain layers to reflect heat. This budget-friendly hack improves insulation and reduces energy bills without needing fancy equipment. 8. Protect your stovetop and oven. Cleaning up after cooking can be a nightmare, but aluminum foil makes it a breeze. Line your stovetop or oven racks with foil to catch spills and drips. When you're done cooking, just remove and toss the dirty foil. It's a hassle-free way to keep your appliances spotless. The ultimate multitasker. Aluminum foil might look simple, but its versatility is nothing short of extraordinary. From saving time and money to solving everyday problems, it's a household hero hiding in plain sight. Now it's your turn to put these tips to the test. Let us know which hack surprised you the most. And don't forget to like, share, and check out our other videos for more life-changing tricks. You'll never look at aluminum foil the same way again.